Make $5,000 per month with Shopify. You don't need any coding skills. You don't need any technical skills. All you have to do is watch this video all the way to the end without skipping any part of it. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Health Hacks. Health Hacks provides you with reliable information about how to make money and investing. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to shopify.com. Once you are here, as you can see right here, Shopify powers millions of businesses worldwide. The all-in-one commerce platform to start, run, and grow a business. So, actually this is an e-commerce platform that helps people sell and market their products online. The great part is, you don't have to sell your own physical products. All you will have to do is set up your store and get a company to dropship the products for you. This website right here provides you all of that for free. To get started, click right up here, where it says, Start Free Trial. Once you do that, you will land on this page. As you can see, start your free 14-day trial of Shopify. Now, all you need to do is put in your email address, your password, and finally, your store name. Once you are done, click on Create Your Store. So, I am going to do that right now. Put in your information. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Right here, it says, Let's get you started. Which of these best describes you? Actually, this website is going to help you get set up based on your business needs. You will have to choose if you are just starting or if you are already selling online. Click on, I'm just starting, right here. Once you do that, click on Next. Right here, choose where you want to sell. You don't need to worry about this part right here, because you can always change this later on. So, click on Next down here. Right here, where will your business be located? All you have to do right here is to choose your country location. Once you are done, click on Enter My Store. Let it load. You will land on this page right here. Right here, to set up your store you need just 5 steps. Step 1. Customize theme. Pick a theme and customize your content, layout, and typography to reflect your brand. Step 2. Add product. Step 3. Add a domain, which is totally optional. Step 4. Install apps. Step 5. Place a test order. So, we are going to click on Customize Theme. As you can see, there is already a free theme called Dawn that is already installed by default. If we click on Action, you can preview the template, you can rename the template, and a lot more. Now, let's click on Customize. Right here, you can now customize your template. To change the image banner, click right here, where it says Image Banner. Click on Select Image. Right here, you can either upload your image or you can click right here and choose from the free images available. We are going to click and type in wristwatch. As you can see, there are a lot of photos to choose from. Because our website is going to be about wristwatches, we have to choose a good wristwatch picture. As you can see, the picture banner has changed. To change any of the write-ups, all you need to do is click on the write-up and change the write-up on the left hand, right here. So, we are going to click and edit all the write-ups. Now, let's scroll down, and right here, we are going to also change the write-ups right here. Double-click on the write-up, and edit it on the right-hand side. As you can see, it is very easy to do. Now, is time to add products. To do that, click right up here, where it says Exit. Now, click on Products. Click on Find Products to Sell. Once you are here, scroll down and click on Dropshipment. You will land here, click on Add App. Click on Install App right up here. You will land on this page. Click on Add Products. Click on Add Now. You will land here. So, on this page, you can add the products by just pasting the link right here. Now, to get your product for free, go to aliexpress.com. Once you are here, type in the search for the kind of product you want to sell. For this video, we are going to type in wristwatches for men. As you can see on this page, we have a lot of good-looking wristwatches at a very low price. As you can see, we have $4, $6, $4 again, $3 and another $3. For this video, let's choose this one right here. Click and let it load. Once you are here, copy the URL link up here. Go back to your store. Paste the link right here. And click on Add Product. As you can see, the product will be added. Now, you can change and edit the product title. The product description, as you can see, the description is already done for you. And right here, you can change the variants. This is where you can change the pricing to your own suitable price. Right here is the profit you are going to be making. All you need to do is change the price and the profit would increase. Remember, this is just in my local currency when converted. So, pay attention to the dollar price instead. Once you are done, click on Media. And right here, you can choose from the pictures you want to appear on your store font. Once you have chosen the one you want, click on Import Product. Let it load. And as you can see, import completed. Now, if we go back to our store and refresh it, we are going to see that the product has been added right here. If we now click on the product we added, you are going to see that you can still edit the product if you want to. To preview our store, click on Preview right up here. Let it load. And right here, as you can see, our store is good to go. You can scroll throughout the page and check it out. If we click on the home page right here, we are going to see how our home page looks like. If we scroll down, you can see that we have added only one product on our store. Just go back to aliexpress.com and add as many products as possible. Once you do that, you can now promote your website and start making a lot of money. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.